as to walk with God. Kagaya po ni Enoch, nalugod ang Panginoon. Pero hindi po madali ito, sapagkat maglalaan po tayo ng maglalaan po tayo ng buhay. Ipocommit po natin ang ating buhay. Itatalaga natin ang ating buhay. So that we can walk with God faithfully. Hallelujah. Kaya a genuine faith is the key to please God. Para malugod ang Panginoon, mayroon tayong pananampalataya. Faith that is growing. Faith that making greater. Faith that makes miracle. Okay? And faith that unleashed to release the power of God. Hallelujah. Okay? Faith works by love.